Si mancano pag mo birada dan look pa sa okra.
Di ba? Guys, arte mo wala ka kay Inday Runing. Arte mo sobra OA ka inis Bisaya ka rin. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel. Yeah. Charot. So for today's video guys, as you can see that we will do a mukbang. This is an okra. The English of okra is okra, diba? Okra ni Pablo. And ginamos, my favorite. Ginamos. This mukbang is actually favorite of Filipinos. In short, mga Pinoy, this is food for everybody. For everybody that is not choosy, guys. So today, my husband is not here with me because he's not feeling well. Na-bored na ako and I decided to record something because I think that you already miss me. Charot. Feeler. So, ginamos. Mazoom. This is ginamos, guys, in Philippines, and sometimes we put lemon if you like, or chili to make it salty, sour, and then spicy. And ginamos, you can pair it with rice, raw mango, banana. I'm not sure if you foreigner will like this, but for us, I'm sure that we super like this one. So this is it, and I decided to pair this ginamos with okra, mga mamshi. And while I will eat, I want to read the negative comments on my Facebook, yung mga bitter on my Facebook channel. So let's eat. See, actually guys, the English of ginamos is fermented fish.
Yaks.
Like
English
raw
of ginamos
fish.
is yak. Co to jest? Raw fish? It looks like vomit of the dog. Smacznego.
Na-shock mo niya.
A for me już nie ma dating?
You have okra. You can eat okra. Di ba love you have motto of okra?
Tak.
What is the motto?
Si mancano pag mo birada dan look pa sa okra. To jest cook?
Sa?
Si mancano pag mo birada dan look pa sa okra.
Di ba? Pabili. It's cooked. It's steam.
Smacznego. Dobre to jest? To wygląda jak mad.
Mad.
A to fish jest... O Jezus.
What you can compare on this smell?
Kurwa, good that I have nose to run, wiesz?
Good that you have wet nose.
Yeah, so I cannot feel this mocno, ale... No look at this, love, how it look like.
What? It's look lami.
Tak, jak gówno.
Basta.
Smacznego. I will left it. Yeah.
So guys, to be continued, don't mind my husband. We will read these negative comments of my bashers. Thank you mga bashers for watching my video. At least somebody watch my video, right? First, don't worry because I will not announce your name. On my video that I eat balot, guys, remember that there's a lot of people arguing to each other and also commenting to me that I said seafood. Actually, guys, it was obvious that my mouth is very full and it's hard for me to pronounce so clearly the street food, but for me, I really said street food. But anyway, we cannot convince everybody. So here, sa sobrang English napunta sa seafood ang street food. Ha ha ha. Buhay, dugo ilong ko sa English mo day. Not everybody hear me that I said seafood, right? There's other people who hear and who even convince other viewers that I really said street food. So I'm very thankful for you guys. Kaon. So this is the okra look like. And then our next negative comment for today is magtagalog na lang mami para hindi ka mahirapan. I know that it's not super negative. I think she just want to tell me that it's better that I will speak Tagalog. And I just want to inform you guys that here, if we are Bisaya, like here in Visaya area, it's better for us to speak English than Tagalog, because if for you our English is not perfect, like it's already bisdak, like it's hard. Especially the Tagalog, guys, like like it's very hard for me to speak Tagalog. I don't even like correct grammar it, even it's Tagalog. Like it's very hard. Even if the pronunciation is very hard, like pabili po, yung ganon. So, continue tayo sa pagkain. Let's continue eating, guys. Don't be stressed.
Wow!
And then, next comment, guys. Arte mo, wala ka kay Inday Runing. Arte mo sobra, OA ka, inis, Bisaya ka rin. A lot of people, a lot of my viewers compare me from other vlogger, not only to Inday Runing, because why I speak English, not Tagalog or Bisaya. I know that I'm Bisaya. Actually, I speak English because it's not only you Filipino viewers, there's also foreigner, and I also want to understand them, what I'm saying and what I'm showing or what's happening. It's better to use our international language so everybody can understand, right? And remember that everything can be practice and later it can be perfect. Like if you're not perfect on speaking English, it can be practice. It's normal. Everybody start from zero. Next, let's eat padea, guys. For your information, guys, ginamos is a little bit salty. And it's perfect for me because I like salty food. So this is the next comment. Hindi ka pinansin, Inday, kasi may anak na kayo, maluwag na. I think this is the video that from first prank. It was like old video already, guys, and I was starting on vlogging still that time. At it told me again that hindi ka papansinin, Inday, kasi may anak ka na, maluwag na. Okay, my reaction on this is that I didn't give birth in normal. I gave birth cesarean. And then, if normal also, like to those women who give birth on normal, it doesn't mean that they're already lucid or stretched, because the doctor even said it will just come back to normal. Shh. From shh, it will shh. So eat. My underarm is already sweating, guys. Next comment is that Madam, panghugas pud oy para dili ikumpara sa bulad ang amoy, hehehem. Tama, di naman niya yun masasabi kung di niya naamoy sa asawa niya. For your information also, I'm not offended on this comment. Like, I just don't care about it because bashers are normal, guys. First and foremost, my husband didn't tell that it smells like your vagina, unwashed vagina. There's no your, so it's not mine. And I'm very open-minded. Like, I understand that my husband has passed. Just be open-minded. It's not only about me. Maybe on his past, girl, so move on. And for your information also, I always wash mine 2 times a day. Even every time I pee, I wash it. So sure that it will be fresh and ready to rumble. So, dili man kuro na sa duck, sa itik, or bibi man kuro na nga egg. Okay, this comment is from the video that when I eat balot. Remember, guys? And by the way, thank you for watching. So, he don't accept duck, guys, because it's itik or bibi. So, ay, mga tao talaga, no? Move on. And I want to say to all these bashers who comment my videos, like, thank you, guys, because at least I know that you really finish watching my videos. And it's a plus for me and it's not a minus for me, because in my mentally, I don't care about the bashing comments. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching me. This is the end of eating okra and ginamos. So if you will visit here in Philippines, guys, just try to eat ginamos because maybe it will be one of your taste here in Philippines. Charot. And to those bashers who I mentioned earlier, reading their comments earlier, and for my future bashers, thank you for bashing me, guys. Just continue bashing me because at least somebody watching my videos and it's a plus for me if you only know. And once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow on my Facebook channel, TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe us in YouTube. And see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Last.